Recession-proof cleaning franchise opportunity, Australia. If you'd like to earn up to $80 an hour with easy access to profitable cleaning contracts, read on, as Urban Clean is at the forefront of the industry. Targeting the commercial cleaning market, this is a franchise that really delivers and will even hand you an initial $5,000 per month of contracts. A national franchise leader, Urban Clean offers a proven system for winning contracts plus a comprehensive training system and support. Your startup package has everything you need, including franchise agreement legal costs, branded uniforms, business cards, and stationery. You can work your franchise after hours to boost your current income, or grow it into a full-time business and reap the rewards. Since 2014, nearly 100 happy franchisees have joined Urban Clean, establishing a national footprint right across Australia. With low overheads, professional accounts, and invoicing support, you can make between $30 to $80 per hour on every job. No experience is needed as the training provided is equivalent to a nationally accredited Certificate 3 in asset maintenance. You can grow your business faster by purchasing inbound cleaning contract inquiries and adding additional services such as carpet cleaning. Work alone or with an access to custom-made software and technology, you can grow your business and become an Urban Clean branch. Urban Clean has been winning highly profitable accounts and building a national franchise business for a decade. Isn't it time you join this winning team?